Okay, so this is new, right? Okay, today we're going to talk about making a high protein smoothie at an inexpensive cost. Let's just say it that way. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Wendy Rayo, and I had a vertical sleeve gastrectomy back on May 20th of this year, and so far I've lost 90 pounds. Hallelujah for that, okay? I feel like a whole new person. But one of the things that really helped me get there was drinking high protein smoothies. My car actually knows how to get to Smoothie King. Probably I could get there with my eyes closed at this point, right? But that got pretty expensive, to be honest. And for some reason, I pretty much Google everything. I'm like an Amazon lover. Me and the UPS man, we're besties at this point, but I could never find the Gladiator protein on Amazon. Well, I went in for one of my appointments one day to check in. You know, I always go in, keep all my appointments at the clinic, and my dietitian said, girl, go to Smoothie King and ask them to buy the protein powder. This was like one of the only protein powders that my new stomach liked, okay? Listen, I was a big fan of Premier protein drinks prior to my surgery because you have to get in a certain amount of protein every day so that you're not losing your hair and, you know, all these other host of problems that you can have. Hey Mel, hey Julie. Okay, so this really saved me. I wanted to hop on here and show you. I'm fixing to make me a smoothie for lunch. So I figured, okay, let me just share with my friends. The way I make my smoothie is I'm gonna get 45 grams of protein. You guys, that's like more than half of what I need in a whole day. I will sip on this, this will last me all day, to be honest. I'll sip on it for a while, hey Loretta, and then if I get tired of it, I'll put it in the fridge and then I'll come back to it after a while. So let me just give you a little history. So in the beginning, I would drive through Smoothie King, order my Gladiator protein smoothie because it's low in sugar. You get the small size because you can't really handle that much volume, right? Low in sugar, high in protein, and it was amazing. My favorite dessert is chocolate covered strawberries. So the protein smoothie that I'm gonna show you how to make today tastes just like chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, you ready to get started? Okay, here we go. This is what you're gonna buy. If you like chocolate, this is your new best friend. It's the chocolate Gladiator protein powder. All I did, y'all, I'm kind of embarrassed to tell you that it took me this long to figure it out. Drove up to Smoothie King and said, can I order a container of chocolate protein powder? Yes, ma'am. Drove through the drive-thru. 40 bucks is what this costs, y'all. You know how much money I spent on smoothies? $5-6 a piece minimum. Minimum for a small. This is 40 bucks. It lasts forever. You use 2 scoops of the chocolate protein powder. That's 45 grams of protein. 45. Okay, so let's get started. I use my little Ninja blender, okay? Now listen, you can put whatever kind of fruit you like, but because strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries are my fave, that's what I'm doing today. I've done mango and pineapple, and I've done blueberry, like a kind of a mixed berry smoothie, but this is my favorite. So here we go. I'm gonna put in 2 scoops of the protein powder. This is what it looks like, okay? Can you see in there? You can tell I do this quite often. So 2 level scoops of protein powder. If you want less protein, just use 1 scoop, y'all. This lasts forever. This big old container is 40 bucks. And like I said, I was driving through there getting smoothies almost on the daily, especially in the beginning, because I just couldn't tolerate anything else. I mean, this is TMI, but it goes right through you, okay? And then I just put in a handful of frozen strawberries. You can do fresh if you like, but I typically do frozen just because I like the consistency that it comes out that way. I think 7 in this brand, this is the Super One brand, Brookshire brand, 7 of these strawberries is like 50 calories. And I think 7 grams of sugar, which is not bad, you guys, because it literally, this is gonna make an entire cup, an entire one of these for a smoothie. Then I just put in a little bit of water. I have it in a measuring cup just so I wouldn't make a mess. But yeah, I don't know. I just kind of put about that much and see what happens. If I need to make it thinner, then I'll do that. All right, screw on your lid. Make sure it's on tight. I've made that mess before. All right, I kind of shake it up a little bit. It's about to get loud. Hold on. All right, it's a little thick, so I'm gonna add in some more water. This is not like rocket science, y'all. Just add a little more water until you get it to the consistency that you like. If you like more of a strawberry flavor, add in some more strawberries. And that's it, you guys. This is gonna last me all day long. I'm gonna have 45 grams of protein, and it is absolutely delicious. Literally tastes like chocolate covered strawberries. Let me just show you what it looks like on the inside so you'll see what I'm talking about. That's it. Ooh. All right. That is it. I have to clean up my mess. But y'all, it is so flippin' good. And I mean, I'm not driving through Smoothie King anymore, right? So it saves money. They also have vanilla protein powder and they have strawberry protein powder. The strawberry with pineapple and mango is another favorite. So, I mean, the options are endless. And like I said, it's a great way to get in 45 grams of protein a day. So for those of you who have had gastric bypass or who have had the sleeve, it's a great option for you. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I might try actually some cooking videos. Don't get excited. I'm not a gourmet. Everything I cook is fast and easy. So I'll see you soon.